This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Unfurnished annual rental starting SEPT 1, 2020. Gorgeous lakefront townhouse, 1-car garage, with most unique floor plan, in a beautiful lush setting, surrounded by mature trees, water and quaint bridges. Remodeled new kitchen with natural quartz countertops, new cabinets, newer appliances. Remodeled bathrooms with frameless glass shower doors, and quartz countertops. Cathedral ceilings and arched windows allow tons of natural light to come in. Plenty of outdoor area, for grilling and enjoying the natural surroundings. 2 master suites, 1 on each floor. Large loft with Murphy bed and amazing lake views. Detached 1-car garage. Huntington is a charming community in Walden Oaks, North Naples, with beautiful mature landscaping and peaceful lake views. Perfect as a second home or for a family looking for a home in a great school district. Great location, minutes to the beach, Mercato and downtown Naples. Sorry, tenants are not allowed to have pets as per HOA. For more information, review the details below.